Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you a story in English. The story is Level A1. It is easy for beginners. The full content of the story is in the description. Before we start, please get a paper and a pen. After each part, I will give you important words. Write the words. Remember them. Test yourself. Let's start. Adam is a young man. He lives in a small town. His family is poor. They do not have much money. Adam wakes up early every day. He wakes up at 5 in the morning. He helps his father. He helps his mother. His father works very hard. His mother works very hard too. Adam learns something very important. He learns that hard work is important. Adam goes to school. The school is far from his home. He walks to school every day. Some students laugh at Adam. They say, "You are poor. You will never be rich." Adam feels sad. But Adam does not stop. He studies every day. He reads books. He listens to his teacher. At night, Adam studies again. He is tired. But he keeps going. Adam says to himself, "I will not stop. I will work hard. One day, I will be successful." When Adam is 14 years old, he starts to work. He works in a small shop. The money is little. The work is hard. Adam cleans the shop. Adam helps customers. Adam smiles all the time. Sometimes Adam is very tired. Sometimes his hands hurt. Sometimes his feet hurt. But Adam does not complain. He saves his money. He learns new things. At night, Adam dreams. He dreams of a better life. He wants a good house. He wants to help his family. He wants to be rich. Adam writes his goals. He writes them on paper. He writes, "I want success. I want money. I want a good life." He reads his goals every day. Life is not easy. Adam has many problems. One day, Adam loses his job. The shop closes. Adam feels scared. He feels sad. But he does not give up. He looks for another job. He finds a new job. This job is harder. This job pays less. But Adam works harder. Adam wants to learn. He wants to be better. He watches videos. He reads simple books. He learns about business. Adam learns English slowly. 1 word every day. 2 words every day. Small steps every day. Adam believes in himself. After many years, Adam saves some money. It is not much money, but it is enough. Adam starts a small business, a very small business. At first, no one comes, no customers, no money. Adam feels sad again. But he remembers his past. He says, "I worked hard before. I can work hard again." Adam opens his shop every day, even when no one comes. One day, 1 customer comes. Then 2 customers. Then more customers. Adam is happy, but he keeps working. He wakes up early. He sleeps late. He works, he learns, he grows. Years pass. Adam's business grows. He opens another shop, then another one. Adam is now rich. He buys a big house. He helps his family. But Adam is still humble. He remembers his hard days. Adam talks to young people. He tells them his story. He says, "Life is hard, but you must work. Do not give up. Hard work changes everything." Adam smiles. He is successful. He is rich. But most important, Adam is proud of himself.